Yeah, so bringing means one of the core thing is how can we really look at various signals and bring various kind of data, especially the product usage data, which can be very strong signals for our CSMs as well as AEs to look at upsell opportunities or to see what is the additional support we need to do, or even look at churn, right? In the sense if they're not using the product as much, what do we need to do that? So that was a core aspect of it. So if you move to the next slide, so what we did was our data warehouse platform is Snowflake, where we have all the product usage data. We took that information and made it readily available across the board. So in Salesforce now we have a user data object where this gets populated. Sales guys, they're not going to Snowflake or to a BI tool to predominantly look at what customers are doing. They live and breathe Salesforce. So we make it available there. And as a result, they're having much more meaningful conversations. The same thing we did, PlanHat is a CSM tool. We made it available there, and also Intercom, which is a chat tool. So as people type for support, we post these private sticky notes to the agent showing that, hey, this is what the customer data is. These are the plans that they are in, so that they are able to react better and provide much more meaningful support. So all this has helped significantly because now we are able to bring in the product usage data to essentially the front lines of the business, and they are able to use that. And being the Slack user that we are in, we brought it into Slack as well. So now any of us can go in. So for example, if I'm a sponsor for a particular account, I can go in and take a look at how they're using how they're using a product, get all the information about it from within Slack without having to go to other tools.
Awesome. So let's take a look at how this may work. So, let's say I'm an AE and I want to know how my champion at Workato, Ryan, how he's doing, what he's been up to. So, as an AE, I also don't typically spend my time in Snowflake data warehouse. I'm spending more time maybe in Salesforce, or in our case also Slack. So in Salesforce, I can actually quickly look at Ryan's Workato usage in quick links here. So if I click over here, take me to this page, and at a glance, I can see that he has 74 active recipes. I can see what plan he's on, and if I scroll down here, I can actually see more details about his usage data as well. So we see, 229 active connections, how many tasks and transactions he's had. So if we actually move over to Slack, we can actually look at the same information in MetricSpot. So I want to look up, Ryan at workato.com. So let's search him up. So we're retrieving this report right now. So like Bhaskar has mentioned as well, Slack is kind of a hub for our sales team. So this is also an optimal way for our sales team to get this information. So you can see here, we've got our total. So we can see that, like, at a glance, we can click on this report to kind of see more details and nitty gritty. But at a glance, we can see total active connections. We can see total active recipes. So now our customer facing teams kind of have a better understanding of how our customers use our product, what they're doing with it. And this information is not siloed in a data warehouse.